Mars so cold, I think I'm done with ice. If I leave her, she gon' die. But bitch, you done with life. Okay, then I pull up with no knife.
Watching a guy, boy, even done, you see it. I'm watching over there back with the first reaction. On the reaction channel, you see it. So I can see by the title, NLE Chopper, first one. You see it. You don't know, say from Beatbox Challenge come out, you know, say crazy stuff. You see, best believe watching now. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join Jane Gang straight. You don't know, so we're the latest channel out there on YouTube right now. And yeah, make sure you say yo, and stay tuned for more banger videos. You see, more banger videos. You see, so when you see that video will post on 2 channels. So we have 2 channels now. We have Jane Reaction and we have a like because we play Free Fire now. We have a channel called. You know, we have a channel called, what you call it? Yes, it's called Jane FF Comedy, you see. So make sure the one go like, comment, share, and subscribe over them party. You see, probably post a video upon each of them. So 3 videos a day. Yo, a whole heap of work that in the people. A whole heap of work that, so yo, when I have to stay tuned and make sure, so yo, when up to the prime, you see. So what you know? Further ado, you don't know the chop. I gotta get into the video, you see? Yeah. Yeah, man. So let's get into it, man. Yeah. Don't know, say. Right. Who that shit know, my God? Trippy. Yo, the dog say his fingernail is still dirty because he's still a grave digger, dog. Yo, I tell him, yo, the old chopper, the man is back. The man is what? What me just say? The man is back.
Pull the trigger and go steady, put it go up in the swisher. Never been the one to say today, I'm the one clutching on the brake. Make sure you don't get away, I'm the only thing I take. In the full race, the back of his neck, hit the ground to the cake. Walk up to him, she breaks it over, put one in the safe.
No more black forces doing it.
With this throw away my heater for a cold, they leave a nigga in disarray. Better stay up in the house like a nigga from That's Alright. Been catch that nigga walking out, we in the prison way. Never seen the set on the internet just to prove a point that this and those in it that we leave it to the performance.
No point, man.
So final warning, 766 like a bumblebee. He start transforming, see your homies on the drip, but they ain't never make it back. Shoot that shit. He died on the impact. My shooter here, Jim rap, but never mentioned who he cracking. Quick to where to lose that. I bet his family feud. They smiling on my mugshot cause I know my bun money good. Miss a heartbeat, I'm out the next day, it's understood. To the Broward County police lick my nuts and suck my wood. First they say that nigga, he start mugging with some
What is that? What look like a dead feet. Into the feet. Put my go there, killing him.
OG grabbing me, cause he wanna pray for me, better pray for my enemies. Like they gave me limits, so I start clutching the limit, squeeze. 223. Never seen the set on the internet just to prove a point that this and those in the internet. We leaving it to the informants. Don't inform me about who informing. That's your final warning. 766 like a bumblebee. He start transforming. See your homies on the drip, but they ain't never make it back.
Even though the man, there's just some sad like, yo, what the shit is that?
Never mentioned who we cracking, quick to where to lose that. I bet his family feud.
Yo, the man is crazy, dog. That's crazy. No cap, that's crazy. The man have him. Watch it, you know, the man get back to him healing potion stuff, you know. So I'll go on. Man, so this is what I use. Yo, watch you know, link in the bio, you see to the original music video. You see? Yeah, man. Link to the original music video is it official video, link in bio. Yo, what do you think about that? What do you think about that? I didn't see it. What do you think about that? What me think is our right, and I don't know the full trap settings, but what you know? We're gonna react to something else. We're gonna react to the beatbox again. We're gonna react to the beatbox. It's you know what you know? It has been out for long though, but you know we're gonna react to it same as it because it's crazy, major. It's crazy, man. It's crazy. But what you know? Let's get into it. No itching, no stoplight. Shot by Jolo. No cap.
Ayy, walk him down straight to the ground, we make sure that he don't get up. Call the reverend and his mama, tell him come and pick him up. I'ma smack you with this 40, asking is my glizzy tuck. Only like it sloppy, she gon' be boss when she sucking me. Told her bring a friend if she ever think about fucking me. Touching who? Touching me to God, where your ass gon' be. Leave him stuck and send him up like he fucking with Cardi B. Park the car before we hit the street, I'm hopping out on feet. Get up close so I can see his teeth, but I'ma keep it brief. Ask did he remember me to introduce him to my heat. Skirt off the block, you following this Kyle will be cream cheese. Ain't no bush to beat around, you not ducking 100 rounds. Whole hood been down for the count, cause we just beat it down. Ain't gotta spin back around because my target hit the ground. Cross that line, you out of bounds, they gon' find you up in the crowd. Nappy ass dreadlocks, black forces, black socks. Make the Draco pop, it's louder than a boombox. Shout out to OVO, the Drake and make your bed rock. With beef on 4-0, just check the score and say a lot. Ayy, I'm in Miami, she giving me head on Ocean Drive while a nigga outside. Told me so good, I thought that I died, but when I nutted, I had come back alive. Skid on her face, it got in her eyes. Now she telling me she legally blind. Gave her a towel and told her she fine. She kept sucking till she started crying. Point him out, shoot him out. I spotted him, I got him. He started running, so I caught him. Bag on his head, I bought him. Told my shooter do everything that I taught him. Let me know if it's a problem. Like a schoolboy, I be super quick to solve it. Thinking my shooter retarded, he take a pill and then snort it right off his fault. Snort it right off his gun. Shot 100, then paid 100 for a bun. Send it this, I won't respond. Slam dunk a nigga like a nigga with LeBron. Leave a nigga where he stay. Same place that I met him, I made him late. Let a nigga come and play. He gon' tell his mama playing the funeral date. I got your power like Nelson Mandela. You need an umbrella whenever I spray. Leave him shitty like Nutella. He gon' need a pamper if he survive this cake. Me and my niggas, we down for whatever. We step on whoever in retro J's. Bullet stick like a thorn, call it Bella. Make him Cinderella if he betray. Bitch. Ayy, walk him down straight to the ground, we make sure that he don't get up. Call the reverend and his mama, tell him come and pick him up. I'ma smack you with this 40, asking is my glizzy tuck.
Y'all good? Y'all
My
good?
name Chris, glad to the man name safe still. I'm glad to the man name safe is he. Glad to him safe. You'll make sure the pre-order him merch if you don't want to get in it. Is he the man get him. Over that. What's in a dog? That was an X. I forget to fill that one. What am I just said? That was an X. What's in a dog? Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join and gang. Is it latest channel on YouTube and go away. You know, say trouble is my friends. Trouble. What you know, man? Further ado.
Look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.